In the last video, we looked at how to clip just a single layer on ArcMap. Now, I'm going to paint an instance whereby you have several layers to clip: hospital, bank, facility, locality, school, state capital, stations, that's like petrol stations. We have locality repeated. Let's remove this. Let's even remove like state headquarters, right? So we have river, roads, and water bodies. Now, to be clipping one by one it's going to be time consuming. So you can actually clip them once, which we call batch clipping. So this video we're going to look at how to batch clip. So our extent is Takum local government, which Takum local government consists of USA and Takum itself, because there's no definite boundary between them. So we'll go to search, and we're going to come to this one. This clip data management here is going to cut out a portion of raster. But what we're interested in is clip analysis. So we're going to right click on the clip under the analysis tool. We're going to go to batch. Okay, under this batch, our input file will be, we'll click, and then we'll bring in hospital first. We add, click, we bring in bank, add, or let's just add, and then we bring in facilities, we bring in localities, we bring in schools. So we add, we bring in stations, we bring in rivers, we bring in what? Road, and we bring in water body. These are our input feature. Now the clip will be Takum local government. So you can Control C and we Control V, 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 or you right click and you paste. Control V, sorry, I made mistake, and Control V. You can also make a selection and you feel, I've forgotten how to do that, but I think this what we did is enough. So we go next. Now next here they're asking us for output future. Now what should their name be? The first one we have as, let's look at the arrangement from here. So we'll first select where it will be by double clicking. So it's going to take us to where our selection is going to be. In this case we are going into Taraba State. Alright, so inside this Taraba State we will just convert. Okay, I was trying to not put everything here, but then let's go. So we're going to have, I'm just going to name them up. I'm going to approximate them hospital, HP, hospital as HP, HP, I'll save. Now, okay, now here I'm going to copy this, the folder detail. I'm going to click fill. So yes, so I'm going to click fill and it will fill every other thing. So how do I do that? Let me Control Z. How do I do that? Once you click on the one you have done, you just right click and you say fill. So it's going to fill the rest. Not that that is all, but then here I will now name it. It's just the ending part. I will name it. Oops. The ending part, which is showing HP, I will change it to BAND bank. Then the next one is facility, so I'll say FC. Then the next is school, say SCH. The next is station, just click so that we have a hand. The next is STA. The next is river, RVR. Okay. The next is RDD, because there's another RD already in that folder. The next is water. Did I fill them right? Hospital, bank, facility, school, station, water body. Hospital, bank, facilities, locality. Oh, I missed one. Hospital, bank, facilities, locality. Okay. Hospital, bank, facility is not school. This is locality. So I'm just going to say car, because my L is not functional, so I didn't want to. So we have school here. We have station. Then we have school. Sorry, after station is what? River. Then we have RDD. Then we have water. So when that is done, we click on OK. What is this saying? Okay. And school also already exists. So let's add 1, 2, so that I get, and then we OK. So this will process and clip everything to just be within this extent. So you see it has created them, and it's going to add them to this layer soon. Now it's not going to add them. We have to go bring them. So let's make a selection of this, select all, and then let's remove them. Then we'll go to add those features on our GIS folder that we created. So we have them. Let me select them. So we have them here. Everything that is here is just within the Takum local government. So you can see that it has make selection, it has clipped all of this into that same layer. So basically this is how you can batch clip, right? But this batch clipping is for vector layers. Raster layers have their own as well. So don't think that the same principle you use in applying for vector will be the same thing you apply for raster. So you just take notes and then you practice in practice. So I will see you in the next video on this chapter of our course. For now, bye bye.